Hello everyone. Previously we had discussed on the Python interpreter, right? So today we'll be discussing upon or today we'll be discussing on linting and formatting. Basically we'll be discussing on the Python extension, linting, formatting as well as running the code in Python. So these things, right? So here I have already created a file name called linting and formatting. So let me come here. So here first thing I want to tell you here is Python code is typically written in .py files. Here you can clearly see the extension, right? So not the extension. So I have given .py extension itself basically. So here also introduction.py and this one linting and formatting.py, right? So Python code is typically written in the .py files, and extension linters and formatters in the code editors like VS Code, basically they help maintain the clean and readable code. Again I'm telling, extensions, linters and formatters in the code editors like VS Code, they help maintain clean and readable code. They help maintain clean and readable code, right? So uh, this is about the linting and this is about the linting, extensions, linters and formatters basically, right? Also running the code in Python. So I'll just explain you certain things and then we can go with the example, right? So here, extension, when I say extension, here while writing the Python code, we have to install the Python extension in the VS Code for the IntelliSense and linting purpose. To make use of the linting as well as the IntelliSense, so we have to install the Python extension. So let me come here, extensions part, and you can just search for Python. So usually Python, when you open the VS Code, it'll if you are writing the code with the extension .py, so it will automatically install Python, right? So this one I'm speaking of, the third one here, this one, Microsoft, right? So you can just install it. I have already installed this one, right? So just install the Python extension in the VS Code for the IntelliSense and linting. For the linting, so I have installed this one, Pylint. I have installed Pylint. So I'll just give here Pylint, right? So this one again from the Microsoft itself, right? So this one Pylint I have installed. So you can just go with the Pylint itself. So and for the formatting, I'm going with the this one, black. Basically it auto indents the code. It auto indents the code. Indentation is very important in Python, right? So it auto indents the code. Here I am just going with the black basically. So let me show you which one I have installed. So see here, this one, black, right? So here, this one, VS Code extension for black, basically with the Python symbol, right? So this one, I have already installed. You can just install. You can just install this one, right? So for running the code, we can just make use of the run button. We can just make use of the run button, or we can just go with the Control plus Alt plus N, nothing but the code runner, right? So you can just go with the Control plus Alt plus N, nothing but the code runner here. Let me close this one and let me come to the main file here, .py file. Right. So now first I'll just go with a simple example. First, let me go with a badly formatted code and then we can just make use of the linting or the formatting. Right. So simple example, I'll just go with a equals 5 here, a equals 5, and also b equals 10, b equals 10, right? So let me go with print. So print, let me go with a plus this one, b, a plus b, right? So Python is unable to pass the code provided, please turn off this one. Yeah, let me do one thing. Yeah, this is fine. Here what I'll do now, I can just right click and click on format document, or you can just go with the shift alt and F, right? So here I'll just go with the format document. So why this is failing, fail to run black error, use Python. Just give me a second here. So here black is not getting installed, right? Let me do one thing. Instead of the black, let's go with the auto pep, right? So I'll just come here. So black, let me uninstall this one. This is fine. uh, Let me search for autopep 8 here. So let's wait for some time. Yeah, this one I'll just come here, which is provided by the Microsoft. So I'll just install this one, right? So let's wait for some time until this installs. So I don't know why black was not getting installed. This is fine. So let me close this one. Now this is installed, right? So let me format the document. So there are multiple formatters for file. Let's configure this one, man. So let's go with the auto pip here. So yeah, now you can clearly see here, right? So formatters basically helps, or it helps in the indentation, right? It helps in the auto indentation, right? Also, I mean, it auto indents the code, right? So here now, now this is formatted correctly. This is formatted correct, means this is well formatted code, right? So let me run this one. Let me go with the Python and let me give the file name. So just give me a second here. Copy this one. Py. Python can open this one. Just give me a second. So here we have a problem, man. So I didn't go with the snake case here, so that is causing the problem or not, I don't know. So I'll just instead I'll just give here linting.py. So let me run the code, same code again here. Just give me a second. What happened to this one? Yeah, so instead of formatting, I'll just go with the linting. So yeah, now we are getting the output 15, right? So this works absolutely correct, right? So this is the simple example for linting, formatting the extensions as well, and for running the Python code, right? So now we discussed about the Python extension, linting, formatting, as well as the running this one, running the code in Python, right? So basically, I'll just summarize what we have learned till now. So we are making use of editor tools for the better Python experience. We are making use of the editor tools for the better Python experience, right? So extensions, linters, and formatters. Basically, it ensure clean, readable, and error-free code. It ensures clean, readable, and error-free code, right? So this is it for the linting, formatting, and running the Python code, right? Next, we will be discussing about the variables in Python. For now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.